Hello friends, in this video you will see the management. What are the menus available? I will show you what are facility available under this expense management in Dynamics 365 Finance and Operation. First you will see my expenses in this expense report, cash advance expenses, matched expenses, unattached receipt, expense entry delegate, travel, requisition. These are the process expense reports in which approved all expense for review, in review, expense whatever assigned to you, and whatever in queue, then whatever process cash advances, approved paid cash advances, and cash advances for your review, expense tax recovery. Then these are the inquiries reports available under this, and these are the periodic tasks like credit. In report, vendor aging report is important, and posted transaction you can use, and personal expense report, and travel requisition summary. And in periodic task you can see credit card transaction, delete credit card transaction, unattached expense reminder, unsubmitted expense report reminder, receipt import for the employee, update expense, payment information report, import for expense report, reset. And these are set up for expense management parameter, expense parameter workflow, shared categories, expense category, delegates, expense report with payment method, tax configuration, cash advance accounts. These are the calculation code, per diem location, credit card types, and statistics group, expense report, under the policies, travel location, expenditure review. Then optional status are these are travel location, merchant expense report, and entertainment expenses. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you will like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.